An overview at today's rig is going to be the small rig, wooden handle, the GoPro Hero Session, an adapter to go to the hot shoe. Then we've got the Rode Video Micro, the GoPro Hero adapter to 3.5 millimeter, the 3.5 millimeter cord, and then to top it all off, we have the Aperture M9 as our light. First, screwing on the hot shoe mount. That way I can take the GoPro on and off as I please. See why they call it the hot shoe, because it's so freaking quick. Never gonna use cold shoe mounts for future rigs. Then throwing on the mic was fairly simple, as it used a hot shoe that was already present on the wooden mount. Was just trying to find a way to actually hold the cumbersome little GoPro adapter, as it kind of just flails all over the place. Thankfully, Think Tank has these nice little straps that you can hold down. Now, I forgot what I was gonna attach the light with, so I decided I'm gonna use this infinity arm because it'll give me a lot of movement I can get with it. And let's see how it looks. This is a test of the life session. The only thing I have to gripe about using the GoPro mic adapter is that it doesn't always work, although I love these transitions. And this was the live session, guys. Thank you guys for watching on Ridiculous Rigs.